guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Janine, and I upload new videos on Mondays. And today's video is going to be a little vlog. I originally ordered HelloFresh so I could try to avoid going to the grocery store as much and just use those meals and like make them all at once and then freeze some of them and use it kind of as a meal prep. So this will be my first attempt at doing that. And I by no means know how to cook well, so this is gonna be a journey. But I was looking over the recipes this morning and I'm almost out of olive oil and I need olive oil for 2 of the 3 recipes. So I have to go to the grocery store anyways. And that is what we're going to go do right now. My little tripod worked on my dashboard. Perfect. So now I'm going to go in with my Fetch Rewards app. I'm going to take a picture of my receipt and upload it. I talked about this in my like Shop Smarter Not Harder video. And like I just have 325 points. I only spent $3. Love that. Oh yeah, special offer bonus. If you took a picture of any receipt today, you got 300 bonus points. And I did. Love that for me. But basically you can like spend the points. So now I can finally go back to the house and start cooking. I'm still very nervous about this. I don't know how well that's gonna plan out. Also the fact that I just vlogged in public for the first time since I've moved here. That was very nerve-wracking, but luckily I like had this covering my face. So like, even if I would have seen anyone that I knew, they probably would have known that it was me anyway. So it's fine. But now we're gonna go home. You say hi. But I got back from the grocery store about 3 hours ago. I have cooked 1 out of the 3 meal prep. This is mostly just because I'm not well versed in cooking. I don't really know what I'm doing. So it's just taking a long time. Hopefully once I get used to it, I can like with the last recipe that I showed, how I showed the green beans, those had to be in the oven for like at the same temperature as the potatoes have to do in this second recipe. So I could have put them both in at the same time and it would have saved a lot of time. But I'm still like figuring out cooking and when to cook stuff and like what order to do stuff in. So it's just taking a very long time. But honestly, if I can get all this cooked today, even if it takes a long time, and then can freeze it and just like reheat it whenever I want to eat it. It's gonna save me a lot of time and a lot of money based off of how often I use DoorDash, which I need to like not. Honey. What? Oh, now I got to wash my hands. Oh, this is just so much. Like I have the chicken prepped right now. I'm about to put it on. I've got containers of the last meal prep. I've got all this stuff still to make. And it's been 3 hours and I just don't wanna.
Triple mic. I'm triple mic.
Subscribe. Now that you've seen the beautiful ending, this is what it actually looks like in here. So now that I've made it through that torturous endeavor of cooking this food, I'm gonna try to sit and enjoy it before I have to go clean the entire kitchen and do all of the dishes and finish the laundry and all of that. So, I'm going to drink this glass of wine, I'm going to eat this food, I'm going to get the fly away. Honestly, I don't know how people do it. How do people do that like all the time? Well, people probably don't take 5 hours to cook. Honestly, I'm just a terrible adult. But at this point, I still have clothes all over my floor that I should probably put away. I'm probably not gonna do that today. So my battery totally died, but while I was charging it, I just finished up my makeup. But while I sit here and brush my hair, I just want to do a quick recap on like the HelloFresh stuff. So like if you don't know what that is, I think that's such a weird angle. Okay, anyway, so basically with HelloFresh, you make an order and like they have an app and you can go on the app. I'm pretty sure you can choose between like 2, 3, and 4 meals, and then 2 versus 4 people. And so I get 3 meals for 4 people and like put it together to my own like meal prep serving sizes of what I wanted to eat. And with that, the sides made enough for probably like the full 6 meals, but then, or not 6 meals. No, the entrees make 6 meals, and then the sides make enough meals for like the full allotted amount. But I'm on a high protein diet, so it's kind of different. Or I'm trying to be on a high protein diet. It's like all over the place. But basically I made that order. There are little recipe cards that would tell you like what to cook when and what you mix together, how to do it, and all that kind of stuff, which was really helpful. I feel like with practice, I'll be able to line it up. And like I said before, how there were 2 things that I could have baked in the oven at the same time, but I didn't because I only looked at one card at a time. I can plan ahead and look at all of them and definitely minimize time spent on that instead of cooking for 5 hours. Oh There's a note back there. So I feel like overall that went pretty well because now I have food cooked for the next at least, like I have 3 days worth of food in the fridge. Which will be for today. Today's Saturday, so today, Sunday, Monday. And then I have sides left. I have enough sides left and like just other stuff in my fridge to last me Tuesday, Wednesday. And my next HelloFresh order is supposed to come on Wednesday. So it really lasts like the full amount of time, I guess. Hopefully though, because then if I get my next order, because my order was supposed to come on Wednesday, but because of everything that's going on, like it came late and so I didn't get it until Thursday night. And today's now Saturday, so I didn't cook it until today. Okay, at this point, I'm tired of brushing my hair and I'm gonna put this camera down so you don't have to watch me brush my hair for like ever. But that was my experience with it. I liked it. If you use like someone's discount code, then you get like a large percentage off at the beginning. So I'm probably just gonna use it until my discount code is up, and then I might stop using it or I might continue using it. It's really gonna have to depend on if I want to continue eating healthy, if I want to go back to just eating chicken and rice and getting tired of eating that all the time. Because I'm like a big recipe person, I don't like to cook. Having to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner for myself is like a new thing for me, and we're working through it. We're figuring it out, and I have hope. But I hope you guys like today's vlog and how it kind of had like a purpose, or if you like daily vlogs that are just like me actually going throughout my day and it's not like there's no, not purpose, I don't know what I'm saying. But just comment down below letting me know if you like today's video, or if you like other kind of vlogs better, or if you like sit down videos more. Like just let me know what kind of stuff you want to see, and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week. Bye!